fall on your knees. Oh, hear the angel voices on night divine. Hello family, welcome to my channel. It's Anna here. So today it's December 3 and I will open now my number 2 Advent calendar. So hope you will be in tune. Please join me in opening my calendar today, and I'm so excited what's gonna be inside, and I don't know, it's really a surprise. But I know it's all about makeup. I knew it, but I don't know which kind. Maybe a lipstick or maybe eyeshadows, eyeliner. So let's see today. Okay, I'm so excited, and please don't mind my reindeer ears because they are not it's broken. The other one is broken and I just fixed it. It's from Ruti. Anyway, maybe I need to buy a new one, so because it's been a long time ago with us, but it's quite cute. Look. Anyhow, so let's get started and join me in opening my number 2 Advent calendar. So the number 2 was here. It was so hard for me to find it, and finally I found it. It's here. It's barely to see. You cannot see properly, but it's the number 2. So we'll open it. Okay, let's go. Okay, this is what we have opened yesterday, the number 1. So I have the compact, the changeable compact, and now the number 2 is here. Look, you cannot barely see, but it's number 2. So we'll open it. We'll open it now. So excited. Here we go. Oops, it's hard. Oh, wow, what's this? This is a Cookie mascara. Can you read it? Can you read it, guys? Cookie mascara. Wow, very cute. So nice. This is what I got. So it's mascara. Very cute. Look. Purple mascara. I'll try to open and see if it's good, or there's a cute brush here. It's cool. What I will do is to just accumulate every day what will I receive or my calendar, and the last day I will use it all for myself. I'll do the makeup because I need this makeup, but I need to finish all, and so that I can use it for full face makeup, and I will show it to you. Thank you for joining me in opening my Advent calendar today, family. Hope you enjoy my video, and I'll see you again tomorrow. I'm so excited. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified every time I have a video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all. God bless. Bye!